Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the phone, update iOS, and enable ProRes so the option appears in camera. Once done, open camera and choose video mode. Tap Formats and confirm ProRes is active. Then open Control Center and add camera shortcuts for quick access. Make sure to set 10-bit color if you need maximum latitude, because Prores Log benefits from higher bit depth for grading. Now you're ready to select the log profile and begin framing with exposure tools visible. Now you control exposure and color. Switch to manual exposure and use zebras or false color to protect highlights. Log preserves details in shadows, so expose for highlights. Once you've set white balance and locked it, cap ISO to reduce noise and choose a shutter target. Double your frame rate for natural motion. Then select frame rate, 24 for cinematic, 25/30 for broadcast or social. Record using a stabilized mount or gimbal, because log reveals shake and focus issues more easily. Finish by offloading footage and editing in a log-aware editor. You should transcode to a high-bit intermediate if needed. Once imported, apply a technical transform or LUT to normalize the image, then tweak lift, gamma, and gain to taste. Log gives gradient control, so small moves matter. If colors look off, check white balance and reapply correction. Troubleshooting tip: if footage shows heavy noise, reduce ISO on future shoots and apply temporal denoise now. Noisy log is usually...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.